Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 benefits of consuming fermented foods for gut health. Fermented foods have been a staple in many cultures for thousands of years and have been known to have numerous health benefits. They are rich in beneficial bacteria, also known as probiotics, which can improve digestion, boost the immune system, and even improve mental health. In this video, we will be exploring the top 10 benefits of consuming fermented foods and how they can improve your gut health. Number 10. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that live in the gut and help to digest food. Consuming fermented foods regularly can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and even alleviate constipation. Number 9. Fermented foods can also boost the immune system by introducing beneficial bacteria into the gut. These bacteria help to fight off harmful pathogens and can reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. Number 8. Fermented foods have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the gut and throughout the body. This can alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, and may even help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Number 7. Fermented foods can also improve nutrient absorption by breaking down food and making it easier for the body to absorb nutrients. This can lead to improved overall health and may even help to prevent nutrient deficiencies. Number 6. Research has shown that there is a strong connection between the gut and the brain. Fermented foods can improve the balance of bacteria in the gut, which may improve mood, reduce anxiety, and even alleviate symptoms of depression. Number 5. Consuming fermented foods during pregnancy and early childhood may reduce the risk of developing allergies and asthma later in life. This is because the beneficial bacteria in fermented foods help to strengthen the immune system and reduce inflammation. Number 4. Fermented foods may also reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. This can lead to improved blood sugar control and may even help to prevent or manage the condition. Number 3. Fermented foods may also improve heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. This can lead to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 2. Consuming fermented foods regularly may also reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including colon, breast, and stomach cancers. This is because the beneficial bacteria in fermented foods can help to reduce inflammation and improve overall gut health. Number 1. Lastly, fermented foods may improve skin health by reducing inflammation and improving gut health. This can lead to a reduction in acne, eczema, and other skin conditions. So, there you have it, the top 10 benefits of consuming fermented foods for gut health. From improved digestion to reduced inflammation and a strengthened immune system, there are numerous health benefits associated with consuming fermented foods regularly. If you're looking to improve your gut health, consider adding fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut to your diet. As always, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you have found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on natural remedies and alternative medicine.